I was a Charlyn and a webja like pa Nina efa a mammy akusia se wachita for moko Ediama a year on Charlyn and mammy. I was ya yes, I crown about one thing about the castle no ordinary near to form with say a yet legal wife who A.S.F. Come more quama mammy nina no and yet or macumu no modeco nemum mammy no edin and no mudi. Any na yasi we kwatwere book watchna yasi we say the number bia betudwa ye gigi sika komeye maame ene ye gigi sika mama me akosia sewa ye gigi sika chese obi e fa kwan bia so so obedidi e o maame no ho enti ono de odinani atofom ehunu se kwa ntokwa no mo ko no enye ntokwa bi o mo kwa maame no na emum eye maame ni din ho ene mo peso mo didi enti wo ka kire o mo se omohwe no mosese omadwe no muto mana moye ente saa ono Charlyn no wanini wo sorry a anhwe a enye papa emfa momu abusia ensem beto odwa no ene timliga wife fo bosti po ansa akora ne timaba be kasa ene expose so omode ba afa A.S.F ho no abusia enya asem keto mepeso be ka me ho akwaji nchirema haguso eye K Black Media. I was a baby, I will show me be our how near my near, but then the beer that was be a no. But what they say when we begin come up, yet the summer wants to be about a friendly say a Jessica Coco and a good summer. But how beer that was to be a we have summer we say be. I think we are Bema or Shamo, Bema, some more from Bema, a Ketua, Rabeji Bula Matali, a Druby now Bema, and Yakasi waiting up for Jumanso Ache, and Pim. Yet they are quantity Abba, a Buziano show Shibrim. I a friendly simply for quantity, and I say we to my friend back to sender. Onipa bi how onipa bi tata. What to bet e won ho se wo sanity bi obeku. But modern so be fa numbers na egu screen ase. Na woni mi akasa me hwehwe o hyebre mu hwi a na bo modern se me kire wo ne obeye.
E wo ho. But o metna se e me kanche. Time that lumba we na afin we 7 months. A.S.F so ye solicitor okroma. So why do you tell people say why you what pack for 10 years ago? No. So you are misleading people. Why?
And you can't when you are now you can you use a different name? Can you impersonate another name? Can you? Yes.
Ayono ani din. Now who said Dina? Ubehu di obi mami akosia say wa company no kroma no. That's.
Ara emma chomo tapuso
ensem na ehu.
Enti when the near place obesi
me busa na nasa onya information wen na
so go fact e mogum pa ya adwuma
ensem mu asole o
me
now you see ensem na what the company registration
yeah
why she ya now the mama akoto trouble. This is my worry. So who people because who say a brand and I say information I'm your mumu say be a company. There's something called SOC code no the year you know and then no trust so be so ye media juma oh ye oni na SOC code I don't know when you
Nanani ayi tempo just say na kwese wo mu da kosia se wo ni wewura ni mane bi mu a maame ne ko nche da ntiase
de tie ni ye maame aye vulnerable right
atin ye ba 920 ma nanan kan nyina nya sa kina ye be sori ni waka ko ni ada manen kan nyina
lawyer manen kan nyina bia
ye maame aye vulnerable right and na enkofo a ewo no ho nso no
na akosia ne mfa wo
ya mianim no krani
para me sene de
nyawo ewo akwanya se ombebo ye maame to make an informed decision because ye maame I say nani atoto aka ne nsem sa ne kan right
yeah so kan nsem
a ho a obi di accept bibi koye na onu ntimi making informed decision ka mo bebo no but I say obi akono de ne nsem kwa now betting now we we share
but omo yes no so nipa do state you obi an near so also can sue them because omo using vulnerability no
exactly.
Team legal
exactly.
Cannot if say is concerning you guys can also take them on
the business people are exploiting her.
Yeah, that's
and someone odi koshishem say odi nipa no kra na o person odi maame ne koto trouble mu. This is my concern.
Right now, no, on Pekrampo, she will feel like she has no choice.
Yeah, but say you find a crisis of my mini crowd you too say at the end now or day banner and then also when like or also your lawyer. There are certain things that any concern we so we say why human or professional integrity one key pillar. Yes say be dino krechi. Ye de why you know enfant to say will be a company kroma. Right. Me best make can be because baby or din sem na fa no she has to pull that company
Nana
down.
kanina.
Hey, na wani.
Nana kasa me bo echi dompem kani nyina
Wan kasa ye be ni akoda. No makaja ye
Mr.
pesa.
Monsa ne koma juma na why?
Money to me 64
There be me medical my country almost say
64
nipa na omudi ni di akire a mu expose mo de nyema bi church.
mo bia fa na kosia mo bia
She's not the person that was some this side manager onye senior lawyer. It's not true. Enye no kre.
Na unim say
In fact, oko you can need 2 years. Ye fa no
Anasa wa show manen kasa mo manen kasa
Ye fa no need 2 years. December no benya 2 years. Enti so obetena se na obetum futuro gu nkofo ani se me di mu 10 years. Na enye no kre. Eno wa ya na ade akohye maame ne nchen. Ena wo mo so dwen se o to no nimra. Ena uni wa fa ho se o dwen se A.S.F na wo to na wo kan wasem no. E say de na akubie company wo. Ena say mo ba say branding na mo be kan wasem a then the letterheads when na mbe show I mean creating a media platform but enye no na mo se mo retail and the retail na there then na mo ton mo be taking orders either say mo be bani panifi and I some be no internet so what are you trying to bring then am be some de ba then am be some nya free ma me no na over kwa ko hu company no ye one director pay nipa ba ko pay say nipa no den na and see some bebre wo registration ni mu a say wo ka kwa akire a yitimi edin say we free ho near the no be sure so no kwa na person with significant control like obi a company ni NDA no crest no ye no but akosia fosu now the question is say one na wo henfa but company ni the Mrs. Akosia Sewa Fosu Limited ye be any junior second junior ni be no and number some use ma me din di ye you maybe no it's not right me that's your thing
Nana ya share that na sabi omonya mpanifo bi a omo nwere nkwa akire
na ya da se papa
e support wo mo
ya mi hira wi ye na wi ase on me se di oba ba hira okode mpa twem so a wi ase on se wo di ukotu ba bi on na wo di aba show bitua aya hwe ye ne bia na wo so to no egu so kontrum na de aba wura ko mo adwe ho se mo ba be gutimi ga oni ma se mo di speed ebe tutimi liga ba egu etimi mo di mi kana mo badam wura fim ho se mo twa nwula gubachi ye so di jabe to ashemo aw se yakopɔ bia mutrumu me se mo to kona me ye ne me be sate ne mo ko ye no ni enyame ne bie kwan ma me thank you e ma sane ma me wo nyina kas kokoye na mutu nyina betati o se mo to dadi me se mo ne go si na wo be ka je me se wo be si me diakro so ka che me se wo de wo no me ba be ma no o twam krom ha me se first kabla for 3,000 pounds bra me de man dress na wo nya let me face you ubetana udo ni na kasa lawyer utimeta internet so kasa wa fojira ayi adwuma no na udo ni I'm a proper lawyer my husband took care of me I'm not poor you are not poor
na you court no so do be kon de ensehunu de kire se bi nipa modam se wote ho a no wa sha se na woko there's a reason why
na na sim show court Ghana na de court mo nipa o
motim legal wife ku ena mo tiona mo ye ma de na o ma ba be fa mo nipa bia ko program mo wi o mo so we sa we eye court asem
wo de man na so wo onum say registration na register internet post no
Okay, when him say UK had the unya call government side now but say wa at bibia beba. Yeah, say abra UK ma kwa ko bo say but who a lot of information. But
Oh my, send them.
Lawyer, Adena ye no. You should also protect yourself. You will be personal information, so he cannot come out here and just. Thank you, me
and maybe Saturday
you know,
information. Oh, be careful, no, madam. Be very careful.
this thing obiat me call online. Anything accessible to everyone.
It's public
Our
information.
website is
Public information.
If you go there, you will see some details. You see it. Public
Oh, and
information. Even certificates. There are some certificates there. There are some certificates of companies there. You can access it. If you when you are obi information now, public idea with me because because we be a company, we need to make say company way. No correct. Company way. That be in almost second June almost register. It there are a lot of things about me and your maybe to a free.
Entuma ni sika no se na no mete se kwemada ayi best mo se sika no
mo ya kronfo no mde omo ho aba boy
o jiji ye no MCS sika no wo ho enti bia no no mo de ewura company ni mu di bia ko se fufuo no
Otin ohun say fufuo ni ba ye na sama obe releases and fake letter na obe say brand some no be kan no Sad the number of platforms no crofo bi say no o confirm yes say akogo the t-shirt ne caps ne sa nema no e ka ho and other things are coming as other things maame ne be sign it maame ne be endorse it anche bia na sa book no anche bia na sa book ne ba nti so hwe ya sa book no ye start ye dey fight no and was started in any buy so and this girl was going platform to platform to preach on about the book.
Yes.
Platform yeah no mu yi book ni free ho no and was buy yes a book na back enti yankoto and okwa start queen platform so kwa kan ya na sa keke o se quick no e call back ko gina start queen platforms so a okwa ya Ashanti Queen accepting it say and the book no enti yeah enti
Ashanti Queen no what be akan almost to be akan
everyone na platform so and no there was my patch me bo everyone na platforms in there was a revelation or no we no na danfo bi a was a friend was fighting on our queen platform so queen you massive girls no platform so fighting against said do they understand the meaning of the AS and money mo bi register na nko money mo bi register yanka they will not even insult the person so the person that they insulted no lawyer ya ye boni di ane ho asema be enti sa person na wo kan ho mu tro book no juhu ahwa na ima no lawyer
she's me the girl ne say the Ashanti Queen edidi ye atem na omo ye A.S.F ne ye ne dia na the A.S.F ne ye ne dia na ye lawyer. And so what did ye atema? They cannot use the A.S.F because the lawyer will come after them.
Yes.
So who is that ye? You said him say ye is not Jumana. So who is ye?
It says Jumana. It's her.
No, wait, anya no. Anya Jumana.
We feel if somebody is behind it.
Personating ye.
No, no about platform this so. No about
oh my platform. God.
My dear,
different.
If you listen to the conversation, it is her, and she was the one who took the book to Mameno. On the book, no call Mamma say, oh no shame. It was shame because her part in it. She didn't take her time to read the book. And
Yeah, no, but is a very is very active. They said no one active BM or buy actually, but no but
friend one
platform
sister
no but platform
yo the on akono ko kasa ye ne say Ashanti Queen edidi ye atem no nim who ye is na say A.S.F no ye ne dia ne lawyer it obetimi asiu no so who is ye is ye a lawyer
but we don't know Yeye's background. Yeye what ni wasi. But Yeye ni atene nka my who Yeye kasa anya a friend the lawyer no. Anya lawyer na mo dwe ho no. Yeye is a different person.
Me pacho.
Say you know based on what the person said. Yes. See ye. So
whoever is no lawyer no in connection with the person.
Yeah, okay, they're working together. Okay.
Yes.
As someone more kind dear, you guys have brought my mind to something. Sir AFSC, any Yakusia Sawa branding, me understanding they say, Womo omudi di Yakusia Sawa temo social media no. Womo entina, womo kote sa di ane sabaya, ombit media jina so di si womona. It looks as if said, Womo use sa AFS no against legal for. Very crazy.
Yes,
yeah, I'm so things are clicking now.
Team legal wife before na eka mo sorry na mi kosi wo and mama ye deporto and mama ye sentino what just eye nkwasesam. Nkwasesam. Na say mo se mo de kwa that side ne so fi the team legal wife before na mo ne omo e ko battle ho. Hey, ewi ati wo.
Fi the wo. Ba ko cheno me na be
me pa cho comment section obianka say ye lawyer juma now obianka sa ye de na ye kan say omo say Ashanti edidi ye atem so they cannot use the A.S.F for no mo pa mo use kura ye no A.S.F na a lawyer bidia if the lawyer can sue them we are not saying say wonwa it's based on what that lady said no and now ye busa said then who is ye because you and I don't know whether Yeye is a lawyer or not. Yes, you need to Ashanti Queen. Yeye, and no be blasting and say a cultural comment to me, and she's not happy about it. We are not saying it's Jumana. It's whoever said it. And the say is Yeye a lawyer, and no, why? No, yes.
Me pacho. Say lady na. Or lawyer no. So threaten will be a uncle baby.
But it's very bad.
No. What in the one about trouble, but so or bet coswa threatening go for on your own coso. So say what ye lawyer on you be. Say there are videos or just what all catching call for say we're practicing law for a very long time, even called or stating number of years we're practicing, right? So law profession allow say be chantro call for be we do and obi deceiving call for na mo call dinner chia wa be catch on so adwuma na nyon ne be ye wa tam dia komo before say hwade ni mame so te say do kan commercial deal now so omokoye no say nyon no na ye na ni colleague na ye organ and
also the man a colleague and a share so about a clause in the book also on kai clause no say if in future no it can be transferred from the woman and
one lawyer would the deal amount say this is the document now won't mean say your friend is a split in a book document number split in it also won't mean say secondly book no say a buy no na add the books and then your friend say Amazon neda ho only say do maybe if you walk away now a baby no book na ba first near tro KK and Yeye busa say wo kwa Amazon sisi a adinti ne Yeye sa KK ne Yeye na free ho near ne El Sega why
what's it no
what's it say Hey.
Oh, there be
Because
ye be di
KK
mammy
don't want
say.
them themselves
Ye
to
be
do with
di
it.
mammy say, ye babe buano.
Oma chom ho
Amenenya.
frame.
Enye mammy no kwa. Yen me ntiase say, sebi. Ye japade ni bibi one mamne. Enipa dasani bi afiri wiase a. Ye nim kwan a nipa ni free wiase. Baby oda ye nim ni nua bani baby oda. We are not, I say, ebi nwene ho ene ya fa ne say a business book no opa me writing say this is AI generated solid book na
Of
da
course.
AI
Of
generated
course.
solid.
Exactly.
If
No.
lawyer pen now ube approve this book. Wabra won't read it. Okasi ya Jimmy on. Lawyer papa be pa na wo fight for mame na. Mame ni ya mame.
Me boni din.
Na wo read the book
say
no.
or a lawyer on trying to be see obi a. Obi wa say on try so be see no. Send the videos no out there. So betina say ABDC even call for. Say what practice law for a very long time. We say abrasem na oka no enye no kre. In fact, in the company ni bibia or into one also a lawyer. She on course no nye the person no.
Now you see the problem is obaye no. Asema Ayeka yenya ya di twi na kasa because abehia ye ho. Eti yenya obi aka twi nto ohuni say agimifo bi a ye nmu nyansa di a we can't reason together. We can't join the nuts together until omo bebu ye kwase a. That is exactly what is happening. This book alone now, or no be na oka say we read the book now. Ye kofa book na am say no. She will never be a lawyer because no lawyer. Na ya kra ya lawyer ye according na mo chenchen. Ye read ye book we.
Me pacho lawyer de lawyer.
Mami,
Anywhere
read a book on a day.
mistakes. Other than you reading now near mistakes. A book on him.
One say the entire when me take a book number no, me try to me make inquiries. And I said no. Time ben a book near shall say a true book no. Because ain't obi a good author biano. A preparation. First of all, then I would to me publish a book. Na book nasa within all publishing on the 28th of May. Right? Not 3 days down the line, the book no Amazon been hobbyim. Na agro na mobile se mubedia. And so many will because I'm catching say.
So the entire book na any hobbyim ne say you be fight or have a kind book ni mu say.
It was pulled down. The book was pulled down.
Enti no mo pulling it down.
Okay. Se see aba asaba biem. So the corner ko check.
And you better
No, because any KK they don't want to have the link to it anymore. It's not pulling it down. No. So maybe they convinced them.
And they see no why else say no why.
And then but maybe they've convinced them to no Master Sadine because they didn't almost they don't want to be linked to it anymore. And until maybe they convinced them until they released it under someone's name, else name, because they no longer want to have a link to it.
Somebody said they never took the book down. The book is printed by Amazon. But the moment new one, the moment title of the book, why?
Amazon don't print books. And then Amazon don't print books.
That is what somebody is typing in our comment section word because even your time or
yeah, it's still there now because it was bought back.
So sell Lumba Saga, I guess. El Saga. Internet is a Lumba Saga. Sega.
You said that point is, and some
book in a fiction, right? And every fiction is imagination. And
no, what the book? Let's stop talking about the book. You can't.
We cannot stop talking about the book because the can say and kofobi atnase. Episode they are exploring the woman.
My concern is exploitation with Mama Kosha said why
Exactly.
And then this is somebody who is saying, say, oh yeah, mommy, the mommy or didn't see you in the boat. Me my own family, mommy see candy. Me my own family, mommy see candy.
I will come after you.
I will come after you. Meanwhile, you are the first person exploiting the woman.
Honestly, book the mama tried. Almost some of the Mama Kosha said why full stop. And that's the business aspect.
No. The question is why the bet nasi? I spend the time, right? The cost of publishing. Say even advertisement marketing cost. Now we now catch you say me adi am yi nyina no me the 100% Process ni na me the mouth. Why na yes idea no? Who does that?
It sounds fishy.
And sometimes no, the fact say you di mama na chi no, and say adie bi cause why you ntimi question. We need to ask questions.
It's a book in a son. One the best every stock. Is it the same person? Nah, the best restock man every time.
That scheme no more person mo de bana. Oh, wani abeka cho say you be see fufu. Why not so you businessman now person the brand a product be out. No ni sika no be oh no be sika free was say fan great product.
Sika no so yasin tuma de no so da ho. Ntuma ni sika na ete o.
Ntuma ni sika na iron.
Anyira yesi o ho yesi ejiji ye no. Eno ni sika no ho ama. Eno kra na yesi betimi kra so. Akosia se wa court ni sika yesi amabusuafo enemo obi anyi sika fa mo obi a wo. Enko se o da de koto bibia koma akosia se se mumie nya sa de no na akosia se wa no ne ho nkyere ne saa o. Ne lawyer fini adede watue ni nyina enti sika bia mu tua na fufuo na ho ahwa ni nyina ekọ obi account mu entoma no se de mu tua na obi account mu na da sisi ho na sika na da ho yemfa nye hwe akosho se wansankai bempoma so sankai according to sources no enti ntoma ni sika ni nyina wo nipa bi ho why enti
me pacho mami kan semwe de nti a asemwe na me pese ye beka ayini wansa me say ensem ni bi won ma e bother on immigration right enti no e was say sa company na wa bi no because ensem a waka wo mu no I was a lawyer no any concern ko yes ade no we share baby a o call a on my baby person with significant control. She said you intuition wa or the mammy akusha say one is see but in some more troll hono or your lawyer she should not do that. And wanna make up that's it.
Anana, I say that's it. This is what we are. Wo control no wo tenti me se we so opinye bibi kwa se de wo say aggressive wo me so na nia bra me se me no me ni problem one for 3,000 pounds my address no one face me because me pen kwa se me no me ba so your lawyer come and let's face my son here by a lawyer France
and you mere uko ayi Nana Williams ni page a wapostu Jumana no ene ye friend say akosu asewa omoye yi enti no say the meeting oh say video bi na won aye da ho
ba America wona na
there be we AI video
aso mo ye meeting omo de begwa mu woni mafi
na ase wenti yesramu so mo ton fufu ne momone ne ade dem say A.S.F no mu nim ase semetiase a yi si Nana Williams se contact no match na o ka che ne so pese o ye logo man no de A.S.F dem no say o pese yi brand bi no mo de bullet ma akoso sewa na o pese o ka bibia no atworo enom ne ade nti before ekoye New York program no na already no na omo adwinu mu se omo be hye A.F ase biase ni mo omo daada ye no omo be use team legal wife ma ye tonton ticket in the name of team legal wife omo ye yina ye ton ticket ni team legal wife bi na oda so ene ye de no tonton team legal wife enko fo ni nyina ticket 100 ene ye so a omo na ye de omo call New York ekoye program ni wi enti no it was a premeditated crime.
Yeah, okay. And I said that time A.S.F no entity pay because they have not lowered Mama Kosha Sewa into it. What you saying? And I'm saying before US no before say it couldn't come up because that time they had not lowered her into sealing the deal. So no name about it.
But if you had that in mind, you should have waited to get her involved and use AFS to do the program. You don't have to come to Team Legal Wife.
Yeah, they didn't want it to be public because they didn't want certain people involved.
I'm talking from the point, say already no not on himself person start to be right.
Yes, it's when
she should have used the A.S.F. Make sure say Akusia Sawa understand and then use it to do the program and not Team Legal Wife because Robert dying. Abra now already you knew that this is what you wanted to do. And you should have used that. And I think that she just abused our intelligence. Intelligence because if you had this in mind, just use it and then you never say to support it. But if you come and say, oh, Team Legal for better or flyer Sonia there, the whereby say we selling ticket and yeah, ticket. What is CVN? It's a criminal thing. It's not good. And these are the same people threatening people. Say see one way and all that, no. But
yes, I said the same
people came out straight away to say
see we Yakupo betria mo kapa papa wonu mtete Yakupo betria mo kanu mo ye nkofo yi bifa wo ma fa de che wo mo esi wo mo ema es mo court mo nia bra mo kan wasam na mo pese mo tese mo wudi mo nim A.S.F be bully yan Yakupo betria mo kamo ya me betria mo kamo mo bra se na mo wu mo bra papa se na mo wu mo sankofo mo bra obi no so be si obi bra se na wu yankofo ye di ma me wo echi ema ni ti ko
Omo pure order. They are looking at the law of Ankoforma and they what them and then playing games with deep people's mind. Yes. What you say, trying to make money. Meanwhile, no, you guys all have jobs. So what exactly are you looking for? What are we looking for? Because even Ghana, they wouldn't do that. And who they offer so you're so smart, say you can just get up, you don't know people, just on TikTok, and then you come and premeditated no what dream no what to have Team Legal Wife on ticket our tongue, and then people think say it's Team Legal Wife, and then they come buy the ticket now just to fool them. And you think it's right, and you think you did the right thing for you to come up and be threatening people. I think that's bad. I got to talk to my lawyer tomorrow because I think this is so bad.
So Nana, Sawa, Entina, you certain people, be or man, because they don't know nothing about this. They weren't consulted about this, but and I understand why I didn't understand why they didn't explain, because these people were so close to each other in love. They should have explained it to them for people to understand, but rather they came like stampeding on them, like. Yeah. What you say?
This is why I feel say it's true. I got to talk to my lawyer tomorrow because I don't want anything, because Obatiwa could also get up and say, hey, we've been deceived, and I don't want to.
Yeah, they came stampeding on them, encouraging the public to push certain people to the side.
And I don't want to be in the position whereby I said people will be like, oh, because people got ticket from me, okay, and I sold ticket to more than 10 people. So I don't want people to come back when it becomes like a big deal, because when they make
it's not so why would you do why didn't do I'm just trying to get understanding.
Sister, maybe Obatiwa, if they provoke her hard enough, she might get up and say no, this is so bad, I must sue these people, and that will put me straight into it. Because
that means just say, you people are working together, and all of a sudden,
because if you are telling people, say, if you are telling nigga why you're gonna steal
one by one. Nana so Thomas man
if you are telling Team Legal Wife people say you're gonna sue them, you're incriminating yourself because you've used them. And then
something has also clicked. So this is why probably someone came out to threaten Mama Kosia Sewa because of what's going on background. To say Opieno ma Obia who said when him the chief's also going to take certain action.
Yes, you know.
Yeah, I'm just things are just clicking in my head like wow.
If you come back,
I'm not saying this is such
if you push,
what are you doing?
If you push legal,
What are you doing?
Going through those people to the wall, and then
I'm just sitting here.
No,
I mean, Jay, when I be, I know my click my dream like it's not connecting.
That's why I'm trying to speak up, just so we can make sense out of it. Because
it's not connecting.
If you push Obatiwa hard enough, and then she said like, no. I started this thing. I had my name on the registration, regardless who registered or whatever in Ghana. Tiwa's name is on it as a secretary, as whoever. No, her name is on. If she gets mad and decide, say no, I gotta take these people on. 100% I'm involved because remember, they put our names on the ticket. My name was on it, my phone number was on it, and people got ticket for me. So. Semi-po, I'm involved. And until if say who threaten for saying say mema Canada government deport mema why say threaten for now we incriminating me and everybody. So I gotta talk to my lawyer tomorrow because people are crazy. This can turn into a big problem and it's very scary. I'm kind of scared right now. I gotta talk to my lawyer tomorrow. It's very bad. It's very, very bad.
Platform. What I'm hearing, I say Masukwe expose no Oya bebre wo Oya bebre actually Oya the way Nana any what's the name Temple Kasana Utumu omo and some bebre
and Toronto is in Yajma.
I'm on some breaker. Oh,
somebody when you emergency alarm boko.
Enti the catch a copy say. Or when you're in Temple fun of Mamranians. Or when you're in Temple. Dabi because and some yes can one here never could see na expose ni nwie because e don't more chiro o sha ni omo we chire papa na so omo furani ye na ba ko usama because the omo ye no
yes
why omo hwe here and some be push mesiu yes entiama man for so dege am for dege so and our problem when you know me Samia I think say as a family ni ba number set scores once and for all so and yes I do ntwada because and some na work no doso to see na ayi dey abetom see register mama akoso din o UKU oh and no see I dey ochina anopa
and no di be bully me no
anopa and no
watch free mo
anopay ene na be fasa ye be kan
otomro se wo se be ba ne wadanti enti wo ba mese
me na be tie bi because they say and anopay expose ne be
no because on now we can be one too
expose ne be party oh well mo yenye union term structures in term ne enko anim tentem enya sa be ma de no we no be take over now
business tycoon for is taking over business tycoon for is taking over
yeah what dey be say ebusuafo no obi e pe bibi adi e was
no say no I said team legal wife there is certain people on my year juma bread to the point
go to the metro
na business tycoon for the person mo do from wisdom
no there be ebusuana omakoye na A.S.F yeton fufuo ni obi epe bibi adi o enti no omode business idea kakra kra na omo asom omo ntena asire hu ne se ye egu ye kuma ananimu ase ye egu ye nua ba ananimu ase omo ntena asire hu ne sa ade no oh
how they will silence them we will silence them
na wo maame panin mu a wo ti akonya wo fi a utimi furo daache na betena kamera ni mu wo fufu na akraketo tena ka chese tenasiye na ahugo
Wahwe. Na me say na say wa sorry what US program ne adana ye start ye na mo airport no me kunu frɛ dwuma bae who say mani agye okase ma we ni lottery bi na me say da bi o ade a ye ama ye maame no enya sam keto na ye ka se nipa nko be hwɛ dom afero hwɛ me say what do you say business on the maame ne me say da bi enya business where ye timlika for genuinely ye free akoma mu and me say as make no camp after was say ra me say a business on the maame ne ye
abuja from jachiamo
Obafia.
One those sides. Lawyer, me patch or one say about 7 100 man because me to mama come the partial. Maybe I two get in.
Is Fiana won't set up my answer.
As that my set up lawyer, by the way, I now she's me. One mommy chance me mouse ties and koyana how much in cultural. Mammy chancing. I'm chancing. Lawyer, now know who you have a pie, you know, koy, what the baby are. Maybe I two get in crowd. Maybe I two get in crowd. Gloria. Ye what Perry one na komu be twa tra to be ti waso no ana ko shia ba se nko ba be defend no me ma amforo ho because nema na ekoso fa de ka no kore pa so against ifo no Perry si wono se wo support so yes me emfa A.S.F food bia ne ma no ebi ma be wura mu se wo mo de mo ntia ase na esi Gloria me picture na wo me se me picture nti obi a be hu me it make to nkra na wona ma se ho a wo twere se because me say bia wo nam ha wo twere se those people who are not Gloria now on an wafa and what do you
I mean money what kasa wafa
wafa so what should I say those people who are fighting against regret who will regret madam nobody will regret yeah can no kro ba da bai wo kro nyanya 2 months and wo se wo koyo fufuo enye fufuo na wodi anim na ye obi yo yeah can no kro da ho no mo say mon twese se kura de asema mon kan se ma ati ase enti ma ko so ase we se what ase de na be ka chese nya won tokwa ne ko na to fufuo why
tita ombo
let's see from why
obi say na
one family kura be ka se ama ati ase oh when se man
wo mu de mu nyina concert party for
kora Perry what mo ti father kurasi because father ka no kura no father de fo kurasi someone dey otene bo abo ankra no ho do makoso
na wo mu da be na no mo
for so mo ma
ko school mo
ana see e be ma ha no college ni be wie wo chena na ma no so the 3rd July no be ma kwa ye ha ye ma kwa
on be bie
omo be ma kwan o chena
na me say and omo be let us na wi mo hyedo to pa emfa
pa na ne ko mo so mo nko bi na mo so mo nko se kam ko adwuma mu nia
na so ko adwuma
me mo ma tere ko na ye 40
mo na shi una no ne ko mo mo
na ye 40 me mo mo dai ne da si pa
I think God I
a long time for them to understand.
Bigo, I think Ghana anya shinsin kroma mo ehwe na kun enkra.
Yeah, no taman.
Na ye 40 from am fam mo no ka se badwale wi fifre tene me nua. Jajajajaj.
Taman fa ye wi.
Ani no ya me mo ma ro mo ho na me mo ma kwa adwuma.
Na mo bi nwa mo nkoko.
Mate me nua. Ti na me wo fam ho why.
Anya se be check me inbox na me.
na lawyer na ka symbiosis section ni bi ewo ni ma a center on immigration, so we need to be careful.
Yeah, Nana. What could happen?
Nana, me saw Brana chair say.
Me kunu. Ya boyfriend na. Nana bra.
The what kind of mentias here?
It's a power taposo. In the night, when you point 3 o'clock. I ban my phone. Banana ban my phone. I mean, baby, I go. Nana, when you may be awesome. Don't try your phone.
Me pacho. One say, baby at registration, nothing. Mammy, I could say what? So a Germany, right? And not to Germany. But in the same way, on a cry. No one make her. Ain't make us say but on immigration. So that's it. Ain't no. So unya akwenya na share registration na. First of all, on say or nipa na also no no director no. And company be anu say obenya obi a no say limited by shares obi a company ni ene dia. Inti bi ono be o ti uhwema ha na mo ye no 75% or more, which means nipa na ye solo owner, right? But one edino enya akosia se wafosu akosia fosu. Two, baby a yet nipa na ye de ne ye no. Baby a yese wote no onte ho. Inti na meka se eboda wo sa ne ma no.
Oh, okay.
Any na me understand ne say omo de akosia se wa na aye but obi na church no de akosia se wa aye sabe ya obetimi sika betimi akodi ni honyeza
de tieni se oka se utie ni pana o kan sansem we nyina na ye maame right question na obusa won say ye maame so o ba wo UK ha right adentina ni din da ni onye director ni bi o so ana ni din o two se ye maame se bibi to na company ni ye ka se bi a company grow bia now the company is worth $1 million. Why not you can't econo?
Who's responsible for it? Who's the owner?
That's Kevin. Kevin in your
sa account na book no bitwa sika na ho na kodana entomani sika na so yesi ho na wo.
Anyway, I need to say Mama Kosha said what the UK has saying, not in Germany. And it's not a sentence around immigration. Okay, Matthias here.
Intino, Enjamika say, I would say I was here, Shania Kami.
Na Jimana no Ghana or Hino free ankaza.
Meaning baby or free. But also credit say wa. Right?
Hey, and you don't bring any happen.
Also credit say wa. Na dear oye no. I will say a company now will be no. Also dissolve company no as soon as possible. Because or the MA make quite trouble.
Or they coupon credit as part of the directors.
Yeah, because coupon will chrome her.
And to be I didn't need income.
Now, who's the UK will be a Yaman or UK. So until
it's because Antina make us say and suddenly be your honor. One share no dear mammy to trouble. And yes, one share.
Nipa non to UK. Also could be a bit the same. I mean to US.
You don't have to be living here to open a company. But I need some minute. That's what the problem is.
And no say they come or say and why I need to say my minute here.
But you can be outside no be a company and be running. It's not a problem.
Anyway, that's what you say. Country of residence.
Madonna Matthias here.
Nana, in fact, you know,
let's stop there.
And then I walk fast, you know. Yes, you didn't, Mamma, no, so didn't you good name so. Monsieur, a lawyers will face a lawyers. A lawyers will face a lawyers.
I'll tell you. Young pastor, Mama Kosha said, whoa, young pastor, Mama Kosha said, why you slow?
I'm passing your man, media men, my son. I'll cut him legal lawyer for no. Maybe back up, maybe minions in back of school. So, Mamma, a lawyer. Don't see some. It is waiting for bullying. Becoming me lawyers for judges football. So don't want to catch all. Me feel going to school, I didn't school. Would bully me. Would be bully me. Me send me job over court. Me actually job over court. Me sit for £3,000. But I bet him my dress. Cash. I'm a family fashion half. For £3,000, baby. Also, one said, "Check with him sister away." Echo, ye send me a pin for my dress, man. Me person me from my would die. Me from my would die.
Oh wow! Really?
Yes. Was me fama would that. Was it the Pony? Was yes, I will pay the Pony. All of them didn't stand address my mom because I don't quite name some my banner. Wicked person. Mr. Try for 10,000 pounds, bruh. But you just fuck off. I mean, me won't see me ban my money, me ban some money. Put it to them. Me mean ya grow. Bonnie will be bunting papa. So do we school jay? Also, we school jay. Come and face my son. Me won't tell you. I see a cemetery, I won't tell you.
Hey, from our discussion, things are clicking and things are knocking things in my head. I'm like, wow.
Feed the fear, do my metam. Not take do my metam. Every day in the out, you do my metam. Or including Ghana everywhere. You something Mama Kosesawa. Have you go and see them? Have you go and see them? And you are here bullying me. So be silly. Nonsense. What you bully me? Me not bully me. I had a butcher. Ghana no bit to quarter and your mission war. I had butcher. What's also been Yajuma? Mr. Busum was kind of a perfume. 1 cent, Grandma. 1 cent. Maybe Yajuma, but if you. It's 1 cent means also my defamation of Canada. Now watch it. We are becoming. Me do photo too much here. I'm doing because what if I'm Hombra? Now we are Busum Mrs. Caleb Travelman. Every month, remember 1 cent. Every month, remember 1 cent. 1 cent.
Ejuma waya mama wanchi akanwa jiskana ni chairman.
Ejuma kwa na Ghana you photo go e pay actually. Who so your lawyer? Emma, watch you know. Rescue no.
Aye.
Come who you not come and make case. Call him be. See Anna, social media lawyer. Who bully you? That's what bullying you.
Wow.
Ah, Jesus, I want to watch him best. Yeah, Papa no. Who see how do social media? Best well. Now who social media one with how? How do you do the brave about and have a bully? Atana me dig for the fear what me be one cause now they have done about so me. Table 10 year over me. Table 10 year over. Ewa. I say some question e tete amamo. But am one man o. On kuton ko le guo. Ye no am ho. O tue ni di no ho. Sai. Awon mo ko ba na me ko sa so. Ni bo do se na ye aduma. Get na kwado hono ademu ya adwuma ademu ba anya ni mi o obi ntumunwe asia ka se mi ji social physical
ademu kura de em se AF onim ne for by ademu no onim
se jimi for maka sa ademu do jimi
static aside, which means she's been briefed. Onim the cry no. Oh no, back down before this revelation and then until things are knocking things in my head no. She's been briefed and at the moment so she talks spontaneously. Suddenly the cancer. Yeah. And Rebecca cancer threatening Mama Kosha said, well, because she knows the truth behind it.
Yeah.
Because she's been briefed recently.
And then so Obeti was say Omo so bet 13 Kosha sewa no. Bet 13 na ne no ne so ye wahin. So bet was say as the tree in one way I want to so bet 13 no eso be expose na ne so Johnny ehwa na ka djuma nke dibedi wo
na wo fide fiye mante hene emu ho na Williams no nuam nyamra mo Canada ne America no go and sue fide fiye the name A.S.F no more register go and sue her.
I said register as retail no dear
you know
Ufuo no mo di figure na de call London FDA for way onto mo de no mo akwakoton ndi no man retail no
me say sadi we pass despite Nobia abotam because mo ba bulu nko for app is one mo bulu ya
na ne ba mo ye no obi report mo ma
consumer nka mo bana kamija na msuwe wabo masumi kamni makobe bia kwa mdi na mejo jebe wa botam na ajima badu kopolo wo judge ene de ya ni prosecutors and de on kompolo ko head me didi ni mi be twambu sharwati la wo de social media wo musana ba yon na ajima badu ono okro wo judge mu judge boy na kwa wo judge bi mo Oyayi, where back on offense, if you judge an accordion. Mr. Munkanch, if you judge an accordion. Oh, Munkanch, me. Who free judge an union, the judge didn't change a fantasy. A month, I want to make it. Jesus, I want to make it.
Oh, the judge, Attorney General. Appeal court judge. And I said, judge, indeed, I can you.
I said, I'm not going to
you didn't cheer.
Oh, it's all your Supreme Court judge.
We're so quite you. Go Supreme Court. No justice.
Appeal, or your appeal judge.
Appeal.
Lawyer, I'm not a judge.
Lawyer by inheritance.
Debbie and the one and him judge. And I said, Mamma, you were more.
Chief Justice, and
Attorney General.
Chief Justice, one more buy. I don't know what to do. They only go away. I don't know what to do. Media for no fun. If I'm bra, who Baba Tretubi. What's a similar to the Najma Badu on Colo Henny, dear Jedon put the post more to them. Or no limit than anyone number to social media. So you made it didn't have up to now. I'm going to switch channel. Now, who's social media bullying? Who's so bullying? Obey flower. Go and sit back there and discuss your court case there. Don't come front here. We are now so camera. Lawyer also camera. A threatening before. You are threatening me. You are threatening me. Say, I have your telephone number. I have your name, your full name. But I'm looking for your address. Give me £3,000. Let me give you my address to you. Give me £3,000 cash to a pick judge. I mean, I'm in address. Me, I'm in my mom. I'm PayPal. The factory. I'm from address. Man, this you.
Mama, person me can be you.
Can be rough for
I was not for penny for me chairman now. But as you say, no, make a cram and mammy meet me. I can't say. Yeah, organ, I say no. Or Mama Casama, Mammy Akusha Sewano. Or be unfantasy kind bunny them. And no quan should be a Casama Mammy because Senator Cono said, "Would me now platform so what will be our Casama Mammy Akusha Sewa." Oh, work on to Musso Bachenadia. The year organ and air chichi and dear Benamaya found.
Mo Busan.
Your chair mother. Me, I don't suppose. Say, Obika, no, your chair more than mammy. Original platforms, mother platform, so I can say. So, what here, Choa, me men farm a platform to one GC come out or catch him. And pa, buy one mamma McCownshire. But Yaman Chadia. They no more than a choir, they are no so bad fee. The radius war. And he say, yeah, we're gonna near in your 2 from na your cry no much more. More cry, they say, baby, I'm more cry the and he says, ye chain as a muntimin peloya. And my mon dream home, that's a bedroom for phone. Now it's a mood dream for phone, what ye are. And a young organ and S will be adding a second bunny them. No be a canon too. No question be a Casama.
Maybe I would Nyabotre. Na enye nyina na tesa team legal wife for omon tesa team legal wife din wodi ye bibia eye nhira de kire se yakoma mu kan na ye de TikTok so eti pe wa cho ema wo ba mu eye nkrofo bi ena o mate na o modem ena o de pen ne paper ene
eye business for bi o ma jom ho agim eye business for bi no
AI ena o di se adwuma no na ye put like wait am obi ani ada ho ntini ye wo ha ye keka ho asenti uti bia e ma ne nye osuntu dia na emum no fashion ade se obi ba na so obeka se abusamu ye emfa ho nkofram keke because omu yusu nkrofo omu ya no mafre o unye se omu nim se wodo akosu asewa enti o ka bia se ko bibi ma akosu asewa obeye eno no omu yusu no omu de ede pe omu sika ntino Mr. Money Mr. to the away money now.
And I'm so can't send back to be so I see. Na tama ye maame o sha se so fast and justice I think say ko be 1 year ni e ko 1 year enti me ba o me busa ye nua ba na se o so ko kan fufu ni fi o no o ko ye duane ama na di no sa mfi tetre no ana maame na ti o no enti me anko afia wo di fufu no na so advert no ko ye and I think say Andrew akra record them nya hwe screen record them nya hwe o say ye ko era kra ye duru wa ye be advert ye kama ni wi a wo di fufu no be advert na say advert nti no ko fi wo no
why no
Mama me mboni din wa because me mama platforms men ka me platforms so dia me boni din me pese obi ni me mama benya problem me platforms so dia metima boni din no waji fufu na gina mu no a wo di nkrofo atem e ka kire si ye nkoni nkonko dwale no
Ghana some now can I say abroad
na o ka se patweti me
me body na Ashanti Queen
okay Sani pawi a wasi enso nkonko dwale sani payi se enne de o koma me no akoko kan fufuo ni bia ma no wa ye nkwa ma no na one maame na ya advert na me busao sa tamwa ye friend say ateso ne maame no kra na wo Germany wantimi ankwanko ye nkwanya anhye fridge ma no wantimi anko kan fufuo ama no sena fufuo ni bi so odwama so wantimi anko ye san ma we nyina ama no but ne advert de ne de wo so wo ko akoko kan ma no na one maame na ya advert
o ma bai o kama aye wa hikeke men for drinko
asemu see ya wa asenu bi ka se ma mini
ma me ko so asewa Jesus ba ma ko so asewa
ma me
to hu yie na sa do ba we ka o mo lukutu advere to so say wa poison wukuru no udi e kwa ma no me wura fi o no ma poison no nku papa no ka se be ka se poison no ka hu bi